Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to automatically email reports in QuickBooks Online. This is a powerful feature that saves you from manually sending out financial reports every week or month, making it perfect for keeping your team or clients updated without lifting a finger. To get started, navigate to the Reports menu from the left sidebar in your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This is where all your financial data lives and where you'll set up your automation. Once you're in, you'll either want to click on Custom Reports or open an existing report that you've already created and want to automate. Maybe it's your profit and loss statement, or perhaps a sales summary you regularly share with stakeholders. With your report open, look for the Edit button next to your report name and click it. This takes you into the report's configuration settings where you can customize not just what data appears, but how and when it gets delivered. Now here's where the magic happens. Look for the toggle switch labeled Set Email Schedule and turn it on. This single switch is what transforms your report from a static document into an automated delivery system. Next, you'll choose your preferred frequency. QuickBooks gives you several options here: daily, weekly, monthly, or even a custom interval if you need something more specific. Pick whatever matches your reporting needs. After setting the frequency, select the exact day and time you want the report to be sent. This level of control ensures your recipients get the information exactly when they need it, whether that's Monday mornings or the first of every month. Now it's time to specify who receives these reports. Enter the email address in the To field. If you're sending to multiple people, simply separate each address with a comma. You can also fill in the email subject line and body text to give your report some context, though this step is optional. QuickBooks will use default text if you skip it. Here's a useful option: check the box to include the report as an Excel attachment if you want recipients to be able to manipulate the data themselves. This is particularly helpful for accountants or managers who like to dig into the numbers. Once everything looks good, click Save or Save and enable to activate your scheduled email. You can confirm your scheduled email is working by reviewing the schedule in your reports list, where you'll see the automation details displayed. Your reports will now automatically email according to your set schedule, running in the background without any further action needed from you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.